What's up you guys, my name's Jesse and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove the Supercharger Belt, tensioner, timing bracket, and the crankshaft position sensor on your XJR6. Now the reason why I'll be showing you guys how to remove all these components is so you can install the famous Andes bracket, which is always talked about on all the Jaguar forums when it comes to modifying and upgrading your X300. So this bracket is designed to advance the timing by 5 degrees, which will give you a smoother ride and a faster acceleration. Some will argue that you'll get a little bit more miles per gallon, but I've had this bracket installed on my Jag for 2 years and I could definitely say that that is a lie. But miles per gallon is irrelevant when it comes to increasing the power level of your Jag. To replace the bracket, you don't have to lift the vehicle up, but I plan on replacing the AC and the alternator belts after. To gain better access to the bracket, remove the electric fans. Disconnect the wiring connectors. The wires might be zip tied, cut them off, being careful not to damage the wiring. The electric fans sit on top of some clips. Make sure to align them back in place when putting the fans back. Remove the top 10mm side bolts from each side. In order to get to the crankshaft bracket, you will have to remove the supercharger belt, idle pulley, tensioner bracket, and the timing cover adapter. Replacing the timing bracket is simple on a later XJ40 and X300 since it doesn't have any of those supercharger components. Loosen the 10mm center bolt on the idle pulley. Now you can release the supercharger belt tension by turning the 1/4 square head thread counterclockwise. Use two 1/4 extensions and a swivel to access the thread. Without the swivel, you will have to remove the smog air pump. Use a 1/4 wrench to turn the extension. Count the number of turns so you can retighten the belt the same tension. 10 turns should be enough. Inspect the belts for cracks and uneven wear. From the looks of this belt, it's time for a new one. Auto parts stores don't carry this supercharger belt in stock. You will have to order online from C&G Barat before you do this work. Check the idle pulleys by spinning them with your hand and pay close attention to any noises. Typically the bearings wear out from the idle pulleys. I replaced this idle pulley off camera and check out the difference on how they spin and sound. I need to replace the second pulley, but unfortunately I didn't have it in stock either on S&G, so I'll make sure to do it next time. Remove the idle pulley. Remove the tensioner bracket by undoing one 13mm bolt and three 10mm bolts. Make sure you don't drop the sleeve from the 13mm bolt. Remove three 10mm bolts from the timing cover adapter. A little bit of oil will spill. Wipe it clean and clean the mounting surface. The timing bracket is held by two 10mm bolts. Unplug the crankshaft position sensor harness. The harness socket is clipped to the bracket. You can slide it off. Before fitting the crankshaft position sensor on the new bracket, make sure you clean it from debris with some brake cleaner. The crankshaft position sensors are known to fail without warning, causing your Jag not to start. You should consider replacing it with a brand new one and keeping the old one as a spare inside the trunk. And since you already removed all the components and you're right here, you might as well replace the AC idle pulley, AC belt, and alternator belt. I already made a separate video on how to replace the belts and you can find it on my X300 playlist. Add blue thread locker on the bolts to prevent it from coming loose from vibrations. For each individual belt that I install back, I like starting the car to make sure there's no weird noises coming from the belt or pulleys that the belt is wrapped around. If the belt starts making any squeaky noises, it might just need more tension, or check to see if the belt is rubbing against something or the pulley is worn out. When readjusting the belt tension, make sure that the center idle pulley bolt is not fully tightened until the adjustment is done, then tighten the center bolt. Alright, if y'all found this video helpful, hit that like button. I mean, you might as well. You already watch all the ads, the video, you're all the way right here. Might as well hit that like button. It costs you $0 to hit that like button for me. But if you personally want to support this channel, there's a donation link in the video description, or you can purchase a super thanks. All donations will be used for tools, parts, video equipment to bring you guys more dope videos like this one. I might use it for a little bit of gambling here and there. You know, I got like 10 kids to feed, so I got to double up that money. I'm just kidding, bro. I'm just kidding. All right. Well, thanks for watching. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Till the next one. Late.